What is recursion?
Recursion is a programming technique where a function calls itself to solve smaller parts of a problem. It's like breaking a big task into simpler, repeating steps until a base condition is met. Recursion is often used when a problem can naturally be divided into smaller, similar problems, making it a powerful and elegant approach in coding.
A simple example, calculating factorial.
The factorial of a number, for example, 5, is calculated as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Using recursion, a function can call itself with a smaller number each time. The base case stops the function when it reaches 1. This step-by-step breakdown shows how recursion can simplify repetitive calculations.
How recursive functions work.
A typical recursive function has two main parts, the base case and the recursive call. The base case tells the function when to stop calling itself, preventing infinite loops. The recursive call makes the function work on a smaller or simpler input, steadily moving closer to the base case with each call.
Tracing a recursive call.
Suppose we want to find the factorial of 3. The function calls itself with 2, then 1. When it reaches 1, that's the base case, and the calls start returning back up, multiplying the values together. This process, called unwinding the stack, shows how answers build up step by step.
When to use recursion.
Recursion works best for problems that can be divided into similar, smaller subproblems, like searching through folders, navigating trees, or solving puzzles. While recursion can be elegant, it's important to ensure each step moves toward the base case to avoid endless loops. With practice, recursion becomes a natural part of solving problems in code.